Alright friends, we're going to give this little bad boy a little flight. It's got the earbud plug in at the bottom. It's just because I had that and it was the same color, so fill up that hole at the bottom. And we're going to give it a shot and fly it around here a little bit here, just in the backyard some. And then got some alien tape you can see right there already stuck on, ready to go. So we'll try to slap a camera on it too. So let's go ahead and fire it up. Okay, it's on. Lights are blinking. We got a little bit of wind starting to kick here. That's why I'm trying to do it back here, so that hopefully, let's see if I can zoom in there some. There we go. All right, so I got the controller on, up to down. Okay. All right, so we're just do one button takeoff. Speed wise, I got it on, like I said, we got a little wind. Let's go on 2 first, and let's try that. Here we go. Now this does not have, Biscuit's getting in the mid. Biscuit's getting to be a part of that. All right, so we got some wind kicking here. Try to bring him back this way some. It does not have it does not have position hold, but it does have trim buttons here, so let me try to see if I can trim it back some. Yeah, still trying to. Biscuit, you better watch it. You try to get a piece of that, it might hurt. Alright, so let's try to get him to land here. Spin him around. Alright. One button landing. Here we go. Alright, so he's on the ground. Let's stick the camera on it. Biscuit, you better watch it. You're gonna get bit. All right, let's put the camera on. All right, there we go. So we got the camera stuck on the side there with the little alien glue. This is the Insta360 GO1. So we'll see how this works. Since it's on the right side, hopefully it will work just fine. Let's go ahead and get that camera going. Bam. Make sure it's on. It is. Make sure it's recording. It is. All right. Let's see how this works. One button take off again. Here we go. Well, it does handle it, but it is going quite a bit to the right now. So let's try to bring it over here some. Try to zoom in some. All right, so see if we can go in speed 3 here. Try to head him on out here to the yard a bit. Go around the tree and stuff. My neighbor over there. Send him on back around. All right. Oh, almost hit the building there. That would have sucked. All right. Take him back out there some more. Take him over to my neighbor's house a bit. Take one back around. All right. Bringing him on back this way. All right, fun. There he is. So it does fly with the camera on, so that's cool. Does not have the, like I said, does not have the stability on or anything, so that wind it's hitting right now is pretty good on it. Pushing it back pretty good here. Whoa! Oh, and it gets caught outside. The wind caught it. Is it inside or outside? It's inside, I think. Is it inside? Yeah, it's inside. Here it is. Crash. All right, fun. Crash. All right, let's set it on this rock right here. Let's see how that works. Let's try that again. Okay, the light is blinking here. That wind's hitting pretty good. Meow. Yeah. Oh, that wind's hitting pretty good. Just bring it back up. Oh, higher, higher. Oh, and camera's off too. We'll end that at the official crash. Oh, nice. Anything broken here? Nah. But there's my camera. All right, so we'll take the camera off because you can hear the wind. So go ahead and turn that off. Power that bad boy off. And power that bad boy off. There we go. There we go. All right. All right, so let's just fly with a little bit more we can. Lights on the back are still solid, so one touch takeoff. Let's see how still I can get it. Not very. All right, so I'm going to try the wind's pushing it pretty good. Let me see. I hear the motor powering down a little bit. Let's see if I can adjust this with the trims here. Hey! Adjust this with the trims here maybe. Let's see. Oh, he's getting pushed hard. Let's see if we turn him the other way. If you, no, that's just the wind. There's even. Hey! Try not to hit me. Try not to hit me. See if I can just kind of keep him here a bit. See how he does. Doesn't look like those. Still getting pushed pretty hard that way. See if I can tab him over some more. See if these trims will work worth a fliz. Not in that wind, they don't seem to. Well, maybe a little bit. It's trying. Maybe it takes a second to set in. Kick it a few more. Well, now it's actually going to the right or left. So there's that. Getting some pretty decent flight time out of this thing. Especially after carrying that camera, crashing twice. All right, let's bring it back a bit here with some trims. Now he seems to be a little on the stalish side. Turn him around. Bring him on back. Just land him right here. That was a little rougher than I would like. All right, there we go then. That is the little CH, you know what? I don't have the box. I don't know which one that is right here. Sorry, I should be better informed with that right here. But anyway, this is the most recent one. It did carry the Insta360 GO1 on there for a bit, so we'll see how that video looked. Hopefully you liked all that. But yeah, that's a sweetie right there. Me like it a lot. Nice.